Good morning. It's 8:15 in the morning. It's freezing outside. My car says it's negative 14 degrees, but I have some errands to run that I want to get done in the morning so that I could just be home for the rest of the day. First errand down, 2 more to go.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging. And I go hard, that's why they keep talking. 3 years and I'm only just getting started. One song and I got the people excited. It's a whole town. It's a whole town, are you ready? Ready cause I'm going steady. Everybody want to lie, they want to spy, they want to get me. Kill me, they want kill me. Tell me why they want try me when they really don't know me. Hey, hey. I'm on my tunnel vision. I beat their allegation. I'm moving on a mission. I don't need supervision. Yeah, 1 in a million. I got the ammunition. They couldn't see the vision. They couldn't see it. Nobody's finding you. Came for the wickedest fun. Me and my balls in the wickedest fun. I ain't seen you want more. What you say? What you know, yeah.
Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday, and in this week's video we're filming a Sunday reset. It is March 2nd, so this is like a Sunday reset and like a monthly reset all in one. I love when a month starts on a weekend. As you guys saw, I was up early this morning, left the house for like 8:15 to go and run my outside errands so I could just come home and just chill for the rest of the day. Although that's not exactly what's happening because I'm about to go back outside again. I got a call from the dentist today saying that they have an appointment at 3 p.m. for a cleaning that I requested, but they're having a promo, so if you're a new client there, then your first cleaning is free. I sent them a message like 3-4 days ago requesting this cleaning, and they called me today and yeah, it ends today. It's like, do you want to come today? And I was like, I mean, I guess. But anyways, I guess before I head out, I'm about to go brush my teeth again, and so we're about to head out. I'm home from the dentist. Half of my mouth is still numb, but we're gonna continue with our Sunday reset. It's about to be 6 o'clock. I washed all my sheets and stuff, so I'm about to make my bed. It's also March now, so I'm going to redo my calendar. And then I just want the rest of the day to be just warm, cozy, chill vibes. We're gonna shower, we're gonna do a face mask, we're gonna light a candle. We're gonna be in bed by like 9 p.m.
Things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the topic of conversation. It's a celebration. So the fact that I moved out my mama basement to a condo downtown. It's all about location. I sit and drink wine and watch Californication of life. You should have been here to kick it with me. We could have split this whole thing up 50-50.
I'm out the shower and I'm hungry. It's 7:13, and earlier when I went to the store, I bought a frozen pizza. So I'm about to go make that right now. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna do a little face mask together. So let's go do that.
I think I'll be the head of the millennial or whatever. I don't know. More crazy. You know, I'm trying to make music that is far ahead. And with the blessing of God, you know, I'm gonna keep making music.
Baby boy, stay on my mind. I feel nothing.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I'm
don't know the love.
I need you poolside, you've been on my mind. What if you want mine? It don't matter anyway. I like your south side, I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make being me less hard. Got to quit my job. When I take it, that's just how you gotta do. I'ma take that, that's why I keep calling you. Diamond boy, why you so shiny? Diamond boy, gon' get behind me, rodeo. Diamond boy, your light so blinding. Baby, if it's only, tell me, am I saying too much? And baby, if it's only, tell me, am I saying too much? Baby, if it's only to tell me, am I doing too much? Baby, if it's only to tell me, if it's only to tell me.
Face mask is done. My skin is feeling really fresh, really nice, really clean. But now, before we get into bed, I want to redo my calendar. It still says February, so we're gonna switch over to March. The theme I went with for January was blue, and then for February, it was like pink and red. So I wonder what I should do for March. I don't know what color March is giving. I thought I had green for some reason. I was gonna go green, but I guess not. I think we're gonna do orange. I'm gonna stick to orange. So right now I'm just going to write out all the days on the calendar, and then we will add all the upcoming events. This angle. We'll add all the upcoming events after I do the planning in my planner. So this is what the orange looks like. It's just way too light. So I think we're going to switch to red. Actually, I lied. We're going to switch to purple.
Patience ain't no virtue with you. I don't waste it plenty time pacing around, hate this cool. You with bitches on the side and let my mind wander too. You relentless nigga, I don't need brand nigga. Text me like I'm waiting for you to come lie to me. On my day saying shit to hurt me, I can't compete. Still on the way, I lay awake if you not around me. I'm so on you, still gon' feel needing you to talk to me in your love language. Show me, yeah, how to connect to you. Help me understand how you speak your love language. Bad as I wanna be yours, I can get with your program. Sexy like a slow gym.
It's now 10 o'clock and I am all up in bed, about to cozy up under these blankets. So I finished planning in my planner. There's not much in there. I wasn't planning for long because I don't really know what's upcoming this month. I did try to plan out like a little bit of content. So I have my next 3 YouTube videos planned out, and I really want to plan out some TikToks too, but I have no idea what to plan for a TikTok. I usually just film. Something comes up, I just film it. More stuff would definitely get added to the planner as the weeks go on, as the days go on. But I just feel so light and fresh knowing that I'm all clean and fresh and my room just feels nice and clean. I'm really glad I got my whole reset done because my period should be here any day now, and I'm gonna feel a lot better going through that, knowing that I'm in, like, you know, a nice clean space. But I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me, and I'll see you guys next Friday with another new video. Bye.